Hello everyone, today I am going to explain the phylum Cnidaria. It is also called as Coelenterata. So generally we are studied about the invertebrates or vertebrate phylum. We are going to study the general characters and whatever the special features regarding the organisms and as well as the common name of the organisms. That is very much important in the MCQs. So here first of all we have to study the general characters of Cnidaria or Coelenterata. Cnidaria is the updated name of the Coelenterata. Coelenterata is the previous name of the Cnidaria. So here in the MCQs they may ask Coelenterata is called as which type of phyla or Cnidaria is previously known as which phyla. So we have to remember Cnidaria is also called as a Coelenterata in previously. So these organisms are aquatic, that too mostly marine. They are live in solitary and colonial. Solitary means solo, single. They can live isolate or solitary. And colonial means colony, means group. They live they can survive as a group also. Some are sessile, some are free swimming. Sessile means like a statue. They can fix to the substratum and they can fix and they can live here only. That is called sessile. Some are free swimming. They can move, they can locomote from one place to other place. So here example, sessile organisms are cylindrical shape. Example are Hydra and Adamsia. Then free swimming organisms shape is like umbrella shape. Example jellyfish or Aurelia. So some members of the Cnidarians are solitary or colonial, are sessile or free swimming. Sessile example Hydra Adamsia, free swimming is Aurelia. It is commonly called as a jellyfish. And these are diploblasticans organisms. Diploblasticon, here di means two. It has a ectoderm and endoderm. So already I told number of times Dr. TB. Doctor means here D R. All diploblasticon shows radial symmetry. Triploblasticon shows bilateral symmetry. So these organisms are diploblasticons. They are showing radial symmetry. And it has a special type of cells, that is stinging cells or cnidoblast or cnidocytes. Based on the cnidoblast cnidocytes, the phylum name Cnidaria is came. These are the special type of cells, stinging cells. What is the use or what is the function of these cells means for the anchorage, defense, capture of prey. Anchorage means, for example, they are sessile, they can fix to the substratum like as a root in the plant. So these cells are helpful for the anchorage and for the defense and to capture the prey. That is the importance of these cells. And it has a tissue level of organization. All group of multicellular to perform a similar function to form a tissue. That is why tissue level of organization. And it has a special feature GVC, gastrovascular cavity. This is also called as a Coelenterion. Based on this, the previous name is called Coelenterata. But based on cnidoblast cnidocyte, the updated name Cnidaria. And what is gastrovascular cavity means? Gastro related to digestion, alimentary canal, vascular blood vessels. Means here the digestion and circulation function by this cavity like as Pangocylin porifera. And it has a single opening. Mouth and anus is a single opening. Entry and exit from one place. Nervous system is nerve net like. It has a statocyst sensory structures and the coral formation. This is the special feature of this phylum. They may ask in the MCQ, coral formation is done by which phylum? So you have to remember coral. C Cnidaria. C is the silent here. This C indicate coral. You have to remember like that. Coral formation seen in the Cnidaria. And it has a two basic forms, that is polyp and medusa. What is the function of polyp? For the nutrition. Medusa, reproduction. So here you have to remember at least one, then automatically remaining will come. Here Mr. MR, medusa for reproduction. Polyp PN for nutrition. This is by asexual, this is by sexual. So, and metagenesis, this is very much important in the 2 marks. Metagenesis means alteration of generation. Alteration means changes. Polyp convert into medusa, medusa convert into polyp. That is the alteration, that is the changes. The process is called metagenesis. We have 2 basic forms, right? These 2 basic forms alter means change. Polyp into medusa, medusa into polyp. That is called metagenesis. So here a code PMA or MPS. So you have to remember this. Automatically it will come. MPC, right? It is a stream. You have to remember MPS. Medusa altered into polyp by sexual. And opposite, polyp turned into medusa by the asexual. Already we know the medusa is the reproduction. Generally reproduction by sexual. That is why here medusa is altered to polyp by the sexual. Polyp is altered into medusa by asexual. These are the 2 basic forms. They can alter from polyp to medusa, medusa to polyp. That is called metagenesis. 2 marks important question from this file. And here indirect development is there. Indirect means automatically larval form is there. That larva is planula for MCQ. Planula is the larva of which phylum? That is Cnidaria. Then organisms important and common names important for MCQ. Hydra, freshwater polyp. Obelia, Seafer. Physalia, Portuguese, PP. Aurelia, jellyfish. Just now we studied, right? Aurelia, jellyfish, free swimming. Then Adamsia, sea anemone. Very, very important previous MCQ. Caroleum rubrum. R. Red stone. Gorgonia, sea fan. Pennatula, sea pen. Here pen is there, sea pen is there. Gorgonia, sea fan. Generally in the fan the company is there Godrej, but here Gorgonia. Sea fan is Gorgonia, just like a Godrej company fans are there na, so you have to remember like that. Sea fan Gorgonia, sea pen Pennatula. Rubrum, Caroleum rubrum, R, redstone. So this is different. Adamsia, sea anemone. Adamsia, S, sea anemone. Aurelia, jellyfish. Commonly we can identify. Physalia, Portuguese, man of war. So these are the general characteristics of Cnidaria, and what is metagenesis, and what are the larvas, if any, and important organisms, common names. Thank you. If you like the video, please share and subscribe.